Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. If you do, be sure to hit that bell notification button to get notified of future videos and giveaways. Well, on today I am doing another hockey card pack break. A blaster box from Walmart of the new 2023-2024 Allure hockey. There's at least 2 rookie cards per box. And there's cards called Yellow Taxis in here as well. And they got the rainbow set and 1 color flow card per box. These are cool cards. Absolutely cool. And if we're lucky, we can get an autograph card. And that's what we're hoping for too. We're hoping to get just about anything that's really good and neat to open up. There are 4 packs in this box. So, yeah. 5 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. These aren't very cheap, but I thought, you know what? I don't buy big high-end products like this too often. So I decided to buy this with my own money, not my YouTube money or anything like that. That I save from my YouTube stuff for you guys. But yeah, here we go. This should be good. So I had to do a voiceover back on this video because for some reason the microphone was not working properly. We got it now. We got 4 packs here we're going to crack open. Hopefully we'll find some really cool in these rookies and so forth. But yeah. And you know what? This is just a really nice product. I've bought it in the past. I'll get this open here. They always make them hard to open. This one here wasn't crimped really good and it didn't tear really well. Alrighty. See that? What a beautiful looking card. First card here is Bo Horvat of the New York Islanders. These cards stick together a little bit, so we've got Philip Forsberg for the next one, so the Nashville Predators. I like the glare, I like the shine on these. Next one here is in orange flow, I believe. Yep. Adam Fontarel. Nice one. I like these. These are cool. Great color. You can actually see the reflection of the webcam above. And the first wiki we got here is Marco Casper of the Detroit Red Wings. Nice. Next one here is Josh Montgomery or Morrisor. Cool. And that is one of the yellow taxis there. Josh Morrissey. Okay, let's get on to the next pack here. Pack number 2. If you like videos like this, let me know down in the comments. I can always do some live pack breaks too if you'd like to see some of those. Alrighty. Backpack of each one of these cards of these packs of Allure is the yellow taxi. Tampa Bay Lightning here. Cool. Some great shots from the photographers, I tell you. Mr. Sidney Crosby, Pittsburgh Penguins. Kyle Connor, the Winnipeg Jets. Gotta like how they glimmer. Oh, we have an icebreaker. Oh, I thought it was a Bedard there. Cool looking. Anytime I see a emblem of a Chicago Blackhawks, I think of Bedard all the time. Got another Connor here, a rookie card of a goalie. Can't pronounce his last name though. Alrighty, let's get on to the next pack here. I do apologize for butchering a lot of these names of the hockey players. Alrighty. This is pack number 3. Tell me what you think of this Allure product here. Would you buy it? It's probably a lot cheaper for you guys to get this in the States. Up here in Canada, it's just over $40 a box. Maybe I'll do some prices, show some prices up in the corner at the end when we do a recap of this, when I go back and edit the video. Ottawa Senators card here. And let's see, they're sliding again, sticking together. New York Islanders goalie here. A rookie. Alrighty. Rangers rookie here. The last card in here is going to be a yellow taxi of, oh my gosh, yes it is, Connor Bedard. Oh my god. This is what we're here for, everybody. This is what we're here for. Holy crap. Yes. Connor Bedard. Yellow taxi. Number 102, I do believe. Wow. Yep. Beautiful. We got to get this into a sleeve. I'll be right back. Hold on here. Wow. Wow. I can't believe it. Holy crud. Connor Bedard, yellow taxi. Sweet. My goodness. There we go, people. That's what we're looking for. Right now, there's no price in the Beckett. But these ones here of the yellow Bedard, Connor Bedard, the yellow taxi, they sell on eBay for easy $200 up. Wow. Just realized the microphone wasn't working all this time, so I'll be doing the voiceover on the other part of this video. Holy jeez, can't believe it. Well, let's get into the last pack of this box here. Wow. Yeah, that's so amazing. So cool. Right on. We'll do a recap here of everything afterwards of all the cards. I got one more pack to go with this box here. So let's see what's in it. this last pack, man, I can't believe it. Connor Bedard. Yes! Alrighty, put that up there out of the way. Woohoo! That is awesome. Got a branded sad card here of the St. Louis Blues. You gotta kind of hold them down here because they like to slide around, these ones. Yuri Stafelowski. Gotta get that out of there because it's focusing on that, not the cards. And we have Alex Tush of the Sabres. Alright, Matthew Portraits of the Boston Bruins, and the next yellow taxi card we have here is of Brandon Hagel. Nice! These are pretty. I like them. Alright, let's do a recap of all the cards. Alright, so let's do a recap here. This is the Allure color flow of Alex Tush of the Buffalo Sabres. Show you the back end or side here. CF9 color flow, Alex Tuch. Red orange. Allure hockey. Right on. We got the Allure color flow here of Adam Fontini of the Blue Jackets. Orange yellow color flow, CF5. We have the Ice Breakaway of Tyler Radish. We'll just say sort of, that's kind of pronounce it. The Blackhawks, I thought that was a Connor Bedard there when I was pulling it over. We got a rookie here of Macro Casper. And if I remember, I'll throw some prices up here of what these are worth if they're available online. Red Wings there. Nice. Daniel Guchin. Sharks. These are all rookies here. Will Cully, rookie of the New York Rangers. Number 101. Got Brandon Hagel, yellow taxi. Tampa Bay Lightnings. Winnipeg Jets of Josh Morcini, yellow taxi. And the Connor Hellebuck, yellow taxi of the Winnipeg Jets too. And man, and a big one on the night. Holy jeez. Card everybody's looking for. Can't believe we got it. Connor Bedard, rookie, Chicago Blackhawks, yellow taxi. worth in and around $200 and up right now. It's selling for on eBay and other auction sites. Hasn't been priced in the Beckett yet, but this young fella here, this card will probably go up in price no matter what, as long as he stays healthy and keeps doing what he's doing. Awesome. Of course, we got a whole bunch of base cards too that are really neat. I just want to thank everybody for tuning in and watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like sports card videos like this on hockey, baseball, basketball, let me know down in the comments. I also do metal detecting, coin roll hunting, and gold panning when I'm able to. So stay tuned for more videos like on those in the future. Thank you again for watching. All the best. Stay safe. Cheers from Ontario, Canada.